So before we start grain filling or applying finish of any sort, one of the first things we need to do is also mask off any of these cavities. Today we're going to be using a pre-tinted grain fill, which hopefully should make the grain pattern of this guitar pop a little under the more translucent stain finish we'll be doing over the top. Grain fill like this should be mixed to a fairly runny consistency, something like glue. I've added about 20% water to the product here, but just check the manufacturer's recommendations on the product you're using. It's likely to be similar. So next, using a clean rag, I'll start working the grain filler into the body of the guitar. We're just first of all coming across it like so, working with the grain. And the idea is we really want to work as much of this into the grain as possible.